Hi everyone, I am Miss Delia and I work here at the Richard Byrd Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make paper bag stars. You're going to need a glue stick, some scissors, and some bags. And these are treat bags that I think I picked up at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need 8 of them. What you will do is with the glue stick you will make a T on the flat side of the bag. Put another bag on top of that and just keep going until you have 8. Try and line up the bags as best you can. This is what an 8-bag stack would look like. Then grab the scissors about halfway down. Just go all the way to the top. Whoop. What you're going to end up with is something like this that has a point on the top. You want to do both sides. Then you grab the glue gun again, glue stick, do another T, pull the sides around, put your hand in both bags and then press together, and that will set the glue. And you can hang them if you like. Just put a hole at the top, and you can put string or yarn through. And if you are working and you can't get the star all the way around, just add more bags. Enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you soon.